Now let's see a few examples. The first one is outliers. Outliers refers to unusual, not normal, or maybe suspicious. It makes sense. When you're dealing with large set of data, you should know if there are any troubles, problems, unusual data points are in your data set. Otherwise, you won't trust your data. Sometimes these outliers are ignorable, not valuable, and can be removed. But in some other situations, these are so valuable it can't be ignored easily. For example, in audit, if you have unusual transaction in your ledger, you can't ignore it. Let me extend the audit example. Testing the entire population is impractical considering time and resources limitation in audit. Therefore, auditor chooses sampling. Auditors are concerned about the possibility of suspicious or problematic transaction in your ledger or data set, even after testing. No matter which sampling method auditor chooses, the underlying objective is that each and every transaction should have an equal opportunity to be selected as a sample. If you are an experienced auditor, you would note that generally, if a population does have a problem transaction, it will form a very minimum percentage of it, say 5% of 10% of the entire population. And the rest of the population which is over 90% is okay transaction. That's the reason these trouble transactions remain hidden even after testing. Now, what is auditor's dilemma? On one hand, undetected suspicious entries are auditor's concern. But on the other hand, the chosen sampling method gave more than 90% chance to OK transaction to come up as a sample. In simple words, there are more than 90% chances that the auditor will not see trouble transaction. That has raised the need to change the traditional approach of selection. The approach should highlight the suspicious transaction or transaction of further investigation. There are various methods available to help find these trouble transactions. For example, Benford law, relative size factor, and some other. In next video, we will use one easy to understand and easy to apply outlier selection approach.